Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video. My name is Sabah Zaid and I am a tech instructor and I'm very passionate about painting. I hope you all are having a great day. So guys, today I'm going to give you something informative. The first thing is, today we are going to learn how you can make different shades of gold using one gold shade. And the second thing, we are going to learn how you can make Christmas tree using dotting techniques. So this dotting techniques will help you to make or to paint your Christmas tree very easily. As you all know, the Christmas is coming. So let's start. So first we need a gold shade. We need some colors, like we need orange, red and black colors. And here I'm going to make a shade card so that I can explain you very well with the help of this shade card. You will also understand which color we are mixing for which shade. Okay, so here I am taking a gold color and black color, a pinch of orange and red color. Now let me just grab my brush and I am going to rinse my brush thoroughly. So here first I'm going to grab golden shade and then a pinch of black, and I'm going to mix it very well. I'm adding again a pinch of black over here. So if you can have a look, we got a new shade. As you can see, we got a nice shade of copper gold. Now I'm going to feed this in my shade card, copper gold. Now let's try to make other shade. Now in the same shade I'm going to add more golden color. So you can have a look. We can call this shade as an antique gold. Again I'm going to feed this on my shade card. Now I'm going to rinse my brush thoroughly. Now let's try to make other shade. I'm going to grab gold color and I'm going to add a pinch of red and orange color in it. So you can have a look. We got a nice rose gold shade. Let's feed this in the shade card. Now to make another shade, in the same shade add more gold color, so you will get a nice light rose gold shade. Now again I'm going to rinse my brush thoroughly and I'm going to take yellow color. And then I'm going to mix yellow shade and a gold shade together to make a yellowish gold. Let me feed this in the shade card. So here we got a complete shade card. However, you can experiment more colors by adding more colors in this one gold shade. As you can see, I have made this textured painting by using these beautiful shades, gold shades. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel.